Evening, boys. 3:33. There's the sun. It's been 11 days since I've seen a deer. Thought about just giving up. Seeing all the pictures, the big bucks, the hell bucks, the dinks, everything else. But the deed's done. It's a Saturday in December during gun season, and I've bought out all the tire plugs in Antlers, Oklahoma at the Dollar General. I've given Antlers K-Care car place about $100 to patch tires. Here she is, low doe. Poor thing, she died with her foot behind her ear. Anyway, I want to thank this official Little River Social Club hat for keeping me safe. This orange vest. And as always, Big Duke chewing tobacco. Have a good day.